안녕하세요. Hello, this is Kim 선생님 from Teacher Kim's Korean class. My name is Kim Hyunchal. If you seriously want to learn the Korean language from the basic, you came to the right place. In this video, I'm gonna introduce Korean alphabet that is called Hangul. So we will see what is Hangul, who created Hangul, and how was Hangul created. Let's get started. What is Hangul? Hangul is Korean alphabet. You understand what alphabet means since you read and write your name in English or your mother language. Roman alphabet has been using to write many modern languages including English. Roman alphabet has 20 consonants and 5 or 6 vowels, right? Hangul has consonants and vowels as well. It has 8 basic vowels and 14 basic consonants. But there is something different with English to write them. You know, we write English word by ordering the alphabet left-right, but Korean words has different structure. We put consonant and vowel in one character, and words are made by putting these characters. Hangul is sound letters, so I can write not only Korean words but also some English words in Hangul as well. For example, this is hello in English in Roman alphabet, and that is also hello in Hangul. You might think this word looks quite complicated, but don't worry, it is not too difficult to learn, I promise you. And once you learn how to read and write Korean alphabet, you will get to know it is easy. Even you can write your name in Hangul. If you learn 8 basic vowels and 14 consonants, you will be able to express more than 11,000 sounds. And after you learn 16 combined letters, you will be able to read and write more than 50,000 sounds. Okay, let's talk about who created Hangul. It is interesting, you know, there's a lot of languages around the world, but we don't actually know the creator of the languages. But Hangul has a creator. Hangul was created by King Sejong and his scholars in 1443. Before Hangul was created, Korean people talked each other in Korean, but they still used Chinese characters for writing, which is not suitable. So King Sejong wanted to help his people and decided to create a native Korean alphabet that is called 훈민정음. Now we call it Hangul. Got it? Here is more interesting things that Hangul was created philosophically and scientifically. According to the Korean origins, there are 3 important elements in the universe. They are sky, earth, and human. King Sejong symbolized them to make Korean vowels. He used a little dot to symbolize sky, the horizontal line for earth, and vertical line for human. Every Hangul vowel is consists of the combination of these 3 symbols. And for consonant, an Hangul consonant made following the mouth shape when you pronounce that sound. For example, look at this consonant. This Hangul consonant sounds like K. You don't need to memorize it at the moment. We will learn all the consonant and vowel one by one from the next video. To talk about the principle, how was Hangul created? As you see, K sound is starting from that part where back of your tongue meet your palate. So this tongue shape is symbolized for making K. All the consonants were created the same way following the mouth shape. Each consonant is showing the mouth shape when you pronounce that sound. I think it is amazing. That is why most of Korean people think King Sejong is one of the best king in the Korean history. I will tell you more from the next video. Some people might think Hangul alphabet looks difficult. Is Hangul so difficult to learn? My answer is no. Don't be afraid. When King Sejong created Hangul alphabet, he was sure that all his people could read and write this alphabet very quickly, even if they had never been educated. In my teaching experience, most of my students could read and write Hangul in 3 hours. That is true. What I mean is, Korean alphabet is not very difficult. I'm sure it is easy to learn for you if you followed my video lessons. Okay? So now we are ready to learn Hangul. I'm gonna tell you about this curriculum. This curriculum is consists of maybe 10 lectures, which is absolutely free content. We have 2 goals. This curriculum is focusing on pronunciation and writing. Both are important. So if you're a beginner, I recommend you to focus on pronunciation even if it is not familiar with your mother language. Sometimes you might need to watch the video again and again until you get used to appropriated pronunciation. Okay? Also, you need to practice writing. One thing good news for you is that I prepared a free writing material. I'm gonna put the download links in the description for each video, so you can download and print it out and try to write your own handwriting. Okay? If you want to learn the Korean language with me, give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. 감사합니다.